everyone, this is Anupriya Roy. We're gonna start biography series. Now reading biographies would provide you ideas, mindset and most importantly experience and many more. और ये कहा भी जाता है कि you are the average of your five best friends. So doing friendship with such great personality is great thing to do. So first few video is going to be on the architect of our constitution, and for those of us born after 1950, Dr. Ambedkar is mostly remembered to as the father of nation. और इसके लिए इस बायोग्राफी सीरीज के लिए जो मैंने सोर्स यूज़ किया है वो लाइफ एंड मिशन ऑफ डॉक्टर बी आर अम्बेडकर बाय संजीव बाय धनंजय खीर और उसका कंपाइलेशन संजीव नैयर जी ने किया है। तो पहले हम उनकी चाइल्डहुड और यूथ फेज को देखेंगे। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। अंबेडकर कम फ्रॉम कोंकण, लेकिन उनकी एंसेस्ट्रल विलेज थी वो अम्बावाड़े थी जो कि मंदनगढ़ से 5 किलोमीटर दूर थी और वो रत्नागिरी डिस्ट्रिक्ट में लाई करती है। उनके ग्रैंडफादर Maloji Sakpal came of a good Mahar family and he was retired military man. And of all the untouchables, the Mahars are the brave and leading community. And it is believed that Mahars were the original inhabitants of Maharashtra and इसीलिए महाराष्ट्र mahar का राष्ट्र महाराष्ट्र नाम पड़ा है. However, this is a belief. So Bhimrao Ambedkar's father was Ramji and mother Bhimabai. The family belonged to the devotional Kabir school of thought, and the most important effect upon the mind of the follower of this school was that they had abolished the rigidity of caste system as Kabir had condemned it. Bhimrao Babasaheb Ambedkar, born on 14 April 1891 at Moho. His father secured a job in Bombay in the military quarter at Satara. His mother passed away when Bhimrao Ambedkar was just 6. और पांचों भाई बहन में सबसे छोटे होने के कारण इनकी देखभाल इनकी मैरिड सिस्टर करती थी और साथ में इनकी बुआ मीराबाई भी करती थी और ये मीराबाई के काफ़ी लाडले थे. His father Ramji Sakwal lived a very industrious and intensely religious life. He offered prayers morning and evening और रामायण महाभारत की कहानियाँ अपने बच्चे को सुनाया करते थे. और जो मराठी सैंट पोएट थे जैसे कि मोरोपंत, मुक्तेश्वर, तुकाराम, इन सभी के स्पिरिचुअल सॉन्ग भी गाया करते थे और इन सभी के कंस्टेंट रिसाइटल से इनके बच्चों का कम्युनिकेशन स्किल पर गुड कमांड हो गया था और वो भी बहुत ही अर्ली एज में. एंड फॉर 14 years रामजी सर्व्ड एज हेड मास्टर इन मिलिट्री स्कूल and had attained rank of Subedar Major. He was a teetotaler and never touched meat. He didn't drink in his life. He was a bad citizen and was familiar with the social problems faced by his community. That's why when the British banned the recruitment of the Mahar in the Indian army, Ramji took a lead in protesting and approached the Justice Ranade ताकि वो पेटिशन ड्राफ्ट करा पाए ताकि ऑर्डर को हटाने के लिए पेटिशन ड्राफ्ट करा पाए. एंड देयर वुड बी नो वंडर इफ आई वुड से दैट raising voice against the wrongdoing was the quality he inherited from his father. उसके बाद हम उनकी अर्ली एजुकेशन के बारे में देखते हैं. तो उनकी जो प्राइमरी एजुकेशन है वो सतारा में पूरी हुई. ड्यूरिंग हिज स्कूल डे उन्होंने रियलाइज़ किया कि जो अनटचेबल होने का स्टिग्मा क्या होता है. Once he and his brother took a train for Goregaon, since their father hadn't come to the station, they took a block cart for Goregaon. And when the Hindu cartman came to know that the two brothers were untouchable, he asked the brother to get off the cart and took them only after they had paid him double the fare. After that, the caste Hindu walked behind the cart with Bhimrao Ambedkar brothers driving it. This was the first rude and shattering shock to the budding mind of Bhim. A few days the earlier impression got confirmed when he was drinking water at a public watercourse and got caught and was beaten so badly. The barber refused to cut his hair, and so his sister cut his hair. And along with all this discourse, he met with a Brahmin teacher by the name Ambedkar, and he loved him so much. He would always take his lunch with Ambedkar. The original name of Vim's father was Sakpal, and Vim drew his surname Ambedkar from his native village Ambawade. As Maharashtrian surnames are often derived from the names of the ancestral village, और ये काफ़ी दूसरे शहर में दूसरे स्टेट्स में भी होता है, जैसे कि सचिन तेंदुलकर विलेज इज तेंदू. And the teacher was so much interested with him that he changed his surname from Ambavadekar to Ambedkar in the school records. And he was a playful child who was not keen on his studies but liked to indulge in all sorts of hobbies and gardening. When Ranade died in 1901, he was happy to enjoy the holiday, not knowing who Ranade was. You may be thinking who Ranade was. So Mahadev Govind Ranade was the judge of Bombay High Court. He was an Indian scholar, social reformer, and author. He also helped to establish Pune Sarvajanik Sabha and Prathna Samas and many more. Or sometime before this, Vim's father married again, and Vim didn't like this and so decided that he must earn his own livelihood. He had heard from his sister that boys from Satara had found jobs in mills in Bombay. Thus he decided to do job in Bombay mills. किराया ना होने के कारण उन्होंने डिसाइड किया कि वो हार्ड स्टडी करेंगे, एग्ज़ाम को पास करेंगे और विल बी सेल्फ रिलायंट एज सुन एज पॉसिबल. And this was the turning point in his life because he became so diligent that his teacher urged his father to give him the best possible education. And now Ramji and family moved to Mumbai, and he got his sons admitted into the Maratha school. Under his father, Vim did the translation of Howard's English Reader and three famous translation book by Tarkhadkar. This improved Vim's English tremendously. और उन्हें तिलक और सावरकर को पढ़ना अच्छा लगता था, और यही बुक्स ने उनमें पढ़ने के लिए पैशन डेवलप किया. पढ़ने के प्रति उनका ऐसी न बुझने वाली आग जैसी जिज्ञासा थी. So his father Ramji borrowed money to ensure that his son was supplied with new books. After a few months, Vim was sent to Elphinstone High School, a leading school. And Vim studied hard, read at night, early morning under a kerosene oil lamp. In spite of being a government school, there were the same prejudice. गवर्नमेंट स्कूल होने के बावजूद उनके साथ वही सेम पक्षपात होना चालू हो गया. Bhim and his brother were not allowed to take up the study of Sanskrit, जो कि वेद पढ़ने के लिए बहुत ही ज़रूरी था. तो instead they were forced to take up Persian. So afterward, भीम decided to study संस्कृत by himself, और कभी कभी वो पंडित दूसरे पंडित की हेल्प ले लेते थे, और कभी कभी तो खुद ही पंडित बन जाते थे. Then he passed his matriculation exam in 1907 from Elphinstone High School, and Vim obtained 282 out of 750. This scoring of average marks is not uncommon in case of ambitious boys whose minds are absorbed in subject other than text and who became great in the future. But these marks were uncommon for an untouchable. The community under the presidency of S.K. Bole, a well-known social reformer, decided to honor Vim. At this meeting, well-known author and social reformer Krishnaji Arjun Kaluskar took interest in Vim and presented him with a copy of his new book, Life of Gautam Buddha. A short time after the exam, he got married, and that at that time Bhim was hardly 17 and his wife 9. Named Rami, she was renamed as Rambai. BRA passed in BA exam in 1912. It was during this period that the rights of Indians were totally suppressed by the British government. After his graduation, BRA took service in Baroda, and he was appointed to the post of a lieutenant in the Baroda State Force. And barely after 15 days, he had to rush to Bombay to see his ailing father, who passed away on 2nd Feb 1913. This was the saddest day of Baba Saheb Bhimrao Ambedkar lives. So passes away Ramji Maloji in death, but with exemplary character and unconscious of his great legacy to his clan, country, and humanity, having infused his son a strength of will to resist worldly temptation and a depth of spirituality unfound in his son's contemporaries. He, he left him behind the fight, the battle of life, and to break the world to his way. आज के लिए इतना ही. आगे की रीडिंग हम आने वाले वीडियोस में करेंगे. तब तक पढ़ते रहिए, तब तक पढ़ते रहिए और सीखते रहिए. Sorry, I forget to move the slides. So yeah, sorry for that thing. And so he is the Sibram Janva Kamble. He was the first to raise voice for the suppression of untouchables. And this, yeah, wait a minute. And this man was the second. So, thank you.